next week as well. So they're chummy. Yeah, that's a good thing.
She's met his mom, which means no matter how it ends, you better be careful about writing a song. How would you know that to your mom?
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Yeah. We are holding on to these sunny days for as long as we can.
Oh, yes, we are. The sweater weather, though, it is on the way, so you might want to prepare for later in the week. Ashley will break down the dip in temperatures and the chance for showers.
Fall is pretty unpredictable. Winter's even worse. Time to call Walmart. 1/2 off every window, plus an extra 15% off for 60 months. No interest. This offer closes soon. Go to Walmart.com.
Design your dream kitchen with cabinetry facing from Excalibur Cabinetry. Choose from gorgeous colors and wood stains. Installed in as little as 3 to 5 days. Now, 30 homeowners who participate in our kitchen makeover event will save. Receive 50% off installation, 12 months, no interest and no payments. Call now for a free $25 Starbucks gift card with estimate. Plus a bonus, the first 10 callers receive an additional $250 off.
I feel great. For years, I had so much anxiety about going to the dentist. I just was petrified. My teeth were breaking. I was in pain. I couldn't eat the foods that I wanted. I was embarrassed to be in photos with my 2 sons. I found out from a friend about Southfield Family Dental. They could give me permanent, beautiful teeth. As soon as I got here, I actually wasn't anxious. They explained everything to me, but they were very professional. Yeah, it actually didn't even hurt.
So there are a lot of people in Michigan that are just like Troy with anxiety, and that's what we're here for. We're here to help.
The 3rd day after the implants went in, I was eating pizza. Could you imagine being in Detroit not eating pizza for years?
Seeing Troy walk in here with that smile, and I know that we had something to do with that. That is why I got into dentistry, to help people, and that's what we want to do for you.
Thank you, Southfield Family Dental, for giving me the smile that I deserve and changing my life.
911, what's your emergency?
My husband called Lee and Eric while I was recovering in the hospital.
We reached the hospital that afternoon. We were right there with Jackie through her entire case. And we got her $815,000. We'll be right there.
Our lives are a collection of experiences, moments of happiness, or times of great loss. First homes, new babies, property loss, even heartache. Knowing that your insurance provider is always close by offers comfort. At Farm Bureau Insurance, the experience you get with our local trusted advisors is different. From financial security to a helping hand, Farm Bureau understands the experience matters. Find an agent who can protect what matters to you.
Call Walmart to get an extra 15% off. That's on top of half off every custom-made window for 60 months, no interest, no down payment. The window on this offer closes soon. Go to Walmart.com.
Download the Forewarn Weather app. Always watching, always tracking. Powered by DTE. Now, warm weather with exclusive cutting-edge technology to help keep you and your family safe.
I don't think we need anything to keep us safe for the first couple days this week. Other than
Enjoy the weather.
sunglasses and sunscreen.
Right, I was going to say, definitely some sunscreen as the sun is beaming over us. So we'll soak it in while we can because the big changes are ahead. It is October in Michigan. You wait 5 minutes and the weather changes. All right, so here's a look at the jet stream. We are situated under the ridge of the jet stream, which brings that dome of heat. So ushering in some warmth from the south. Right now we're at 74, but look, Marquette is actually warmer than us at this hour, 77, and Minneapolis at 79, even Chicago reporting 80. So the Great Lakes well above where we should be for this time of year. Zooming in here closer to home, 76 at City Airport, 74 at Metro, 72 in Ann Arbor, Howell reporting 76. Same with Flint. Look here, you're at 78 degrees. Port Huron at 75, Sandusky 74, and if you're in Monroe, you have that exact same temperature. Really, the coolest spot here is Grosse Ile at 71, Ann Arbor a degree warmer than that. And speaking of being warmer, we're anywhere between 1 to about 5 degrees warmer across southeastern Michigan than this time yesterday. I show you that because let's recap where we were highest temperature. 78 yesterday was the high, 79 in the city. We hit 80 in Flint, but most of the were 70. So given that we are already a couple degrees warmer,